Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What's going on now?
Well,
I think the first ingredient we need to have is this one here.
yeah, because my mama always said if you're cooking, you're drinking.
If you're drinking, you're cooking.
That's it. Cheers. I love you.
Cheers, I love you.
All right.
Woo! That's the best way to start anyone. Alright, so what are we going on here?
Well, considering it's like 10:30 at night and we haven't ate, we're just going to do a quick recipe that Sheila sent in to us. I guess some other people have already done this recipe. Ramen Alfredo. Ramen chicken Alfredo. That's what it is. But we're going to take it up a notch because my mom was a chef. So basically I can't do just something simple. I have to take it up a notch.
There's going to be a pumpkin in this?
No pumpkins. The recipe calls for double these ingredients, but since it's only the two of us, I cut it in half. So you would use 2 containers of Alfredo, 6 ramen, 2 cans of chicken, and some cheese.
2-can chicken? Like that?
Like 2 cans Sam?
Like the Fruit Loop?
So you're going to take your ramen and you're going to just put it in your pan. Set your seasoning aside. And we have our oven set at 350. So this is going to cook for about an hour once we get it all together. Another one there. Oh, get back here, you little noodle. We need you. Take the 3rd pack and put it in here. If we can maybe just gonna kind of go like that. All right, so we got our Alfredo, and you're gonna put, if you would have a full pan, you're gonna put a whole can of this down on the Alfredo first. But since we cut this in half, we're just gonna do half of this. You're gonna take your chicken, juice and all. My mama is probably rolling over in her grave seeing me use canned chicken instead of real chicken, but it's all good. Kind of very chunky, so I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit, try to mush it up some. Chicken Alfredo with ramen noodles. Who would think? We're gonna see how good this is. Oh, got a visitor trying to come.
She thinks we're making something for her.
She heard the pop of the can and she thinks it's stay back. Our counters are clean and you don't need to be in here right now. All right, let's take the rest of your Alfredo and pour it on the top. We'll get a little bit of water and rinse this out. Might get it all. What are you shaking?
I'm not shaking nothing, but you're shaking something.
Pour that right over there. Make sure all the noodles are good. Now, even though you have 3 seasoning packets,
What's she doing? Is she making food for you?
it's not for you, baby juice. Even though you have 3 seasoning packets, you're only going to use 1. So just dump that right. Oh,
You can't just throw the whole packet in there.
I'm sorry. It's good. Okay. Now, the next thing you would do is put the cheese on top. But we're going to take it up a notch. So we have some bacon bits because I think some bacon bits sound good in here.
Those aren't treats. They're not cat treats. The Pop Top, that's cat food. The scrunchy bag, that's cat treats. That's what these cats think all the time.
Not for you tonight, Zeus. So we're gonna add a little bit of bacon in there.
Give him one of them. He'd probably like it.
Give him some bacon.
That would be like an extra special treat for him.
Zeus. Come on, pretty boy. You want some bacon?
It's like, this isn't the cat treats. Are you seriously not going to eat that? I don't think I've ever seen anything that you won't eat.
And you want to put some pepper over the top as well. So we're going to add some pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of garlic because we love garlic. Besides, it's coming up on Halloween. You got to keep those vampires away, so why not? So let's just add, I normally have fresh garlic, but since this is a 10:30 at night cheat meal, we're just going to do some.
It's also a great meal for diets.
Yeah, it looks it. All right, so we got some garlic. We'll sprinkle a little bit of onion powder on top.
Just sprinkling onion powders?
Gotta mix and mingle these flavors. A little bit of oregano. Yes, I know, it's oregano. And a little bit of basil.
The third one came to join us. The queen of the house.
All right. Now you coat that baby with some cheese.
Diet cheese, of course.
We went with a cheddar cheese, but you can probably use any cheese you want. It didn't specify, so. That looks good to me. Put it in the oven at 350 for 60 minutes, and then come on back. We'll see you soon. All right. An hour later, here we go. What she looks like. I don't know. How do you serve this thing? I'm gonna. It looks done. Oh yeah, that's gonna be done. Let's cut it. I didn't think it looked saucy, but now that you cut into it, it looks a little saucy. Just gonna get the fine china. Just gotta get the fine china out. I'm struggling here. There's a lot of ramen. I don't know, stir it up some. I guess maybe a chicken strip at the top. I don't know, what do you think?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure. A little bit of chicken, a little bit of noodles, a little bit of cheese. No hair. It's good. I mean, it's not like Chef Company good, but it's actually pretty good. All right, thanks for joining and watching. Comment, subscribe, leave something down below if you have another recipe that you think we should try. Until the next time, see ya.